Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. I know y'all like, girl, where you been? I've been so busy. I miss you guys. But today I decided to do a Valentine's Day video on a client, and I have some colors from Melodysusie. They definitely upgraded their packaging. These bottles are so luxurious. They are $9.99 each, and at first I was a little taken back because they do have some weight to them. I was expecting them to be really light, but they are giving luxury. Look how cute they are. I like that the color is the top, I'm sorry, is color coded, and it has the spelling out of the shade. I also do have a nail art brush set from them. This is also $9.99, really affordable. I do have a discount code for them. I will leave it across the screen here. It is Nail by Shy 12, so make sure you use that to save yourself some coins. First thing I'm doing is going in and cleaning up that little crust on the side because I don't like the way that look, and I figure I'll get it off before I start my nail art so that everything looks good. What have you guys been up to? I haven't been doing much. I just been really trying to decompress since graduating. Stressful at work, but I wanted to make sure I recorded this video for you guys. I do still have a part 2 of that huge Amazon haul that I need to edit so you guys can see. But the first thing I am doing is going in with the largest brush that's in that kit and just doing the heart. This right here for me is like a really easy design, and you can't have a Valentine's Day look without a heart, in my opinion. So I am going in with the heart, and I am using that white shade. The polish is not really thick, so you're able to go in and get precise without it looking all clumpy. So I do cure that in the lamp for 30 seconds before I go over the heart with the black polish that I just showed you guys. So I am still using that same brush. I decided to go in with a 3D look on these nails. I'm just really freestyling. She had no particular look in mind. She is wearing pink, so I figured pink, black, and white would seal the deal for her nails. If you guys are wondering, that acrylic that is on her nails is Blossom. I'm running out of it. It's become really one of my favorite acrylics to use as a base when the client wants a pink background on their nails. So I thought that came out super cute. I wanted to keep these nails simple but look like we put a lot of effort into it. So I am going in with some blooming gel on the pinky nail here. Nothing too serious. And then I'm going to use those 3 colors, the pink, the black, and the white, to go in with the dotting tool and just do a little like crocodile look on the nails. Nothing too serious. Like I said, she wanted a different design on each finger, and I'm not really good at art, but we're gonna fake it until we make it. So if you're watching this and you are someone who get a little antsy when clients ask for designs, just go on what you know how to do. Stay true to what you know how to do. Practice on your own time on other designs, but I wouldn't wait until a client sit at my chair to try something new for the first time. That's just me personally. Nowadays, everybody want a different design on their finger, and it's a lot of work. So here I forgot to turn my camera back on when I did the French tip. My French tip did not have to be perfect. I wasn't trying to get a precise white line, just because I knew I was going to go in and 3D it with the black. So it didn't have to be perfect, which came out great for me. So I'm just going in with that larger brush. Again, this brush is really good. I thought I was going to have some trouble with it. You guys know I use one brush all the time. And so, yeah, this was like freely able to do what I need to do with this brush without, being scared. It wasn't flimsy. I did go in and trim the tip of it a little bit to my liking, and nothing too serious. But yeah, just going in with that same 3D look here as I did with the heart, just so that everything is starting to come together and look a little bit uniform. And now it wouldn't be a full set without a little bit of bling. So I am going in with a few different stones. I'm not being really precise. I'm literally just slapping stones on. I did go in with some AB, some clear, some pink. This is a really tedious. Let me know down below if you do nails. How much do you charge when you do bling? Just a FYI, you guys know I do work in a shop once a week, or at least twice a month when I have the time. Yeah, you go to the nail salon, you are getting charged per design each nail. For instance, the heart nail would be a $5 to $6 design, and the French tip 3D would be like a $5 to $6 design. Let me know if that's how you charge, but that's how we do at the shop. Everything is individualized. There's no such thing as like a freestyle at the shop. I do try to like give my clients little freebies when I can, especially my clients that I know that come in every 2 weeks or wait to book with me. I do sometimes throw in like free little, designs and stuff like that. But let me know, how do you charge? Do you just charge just by freestyle? Because this would be like a freestyle in my eyes. When I do nails at home, that's something I would do, just like a freestyle, like a $75 set. And then I'm able to have full control over the freestyle and do the things that I know that I can do. So here, I think I speed through this part a little bit because it is a little bit time consuming, but I'm just going in with different stones, nothing too precise, as you guys can see. I just want to fill this nail up as much as I can and get it over with. So another thing that would have saved me some time, always prep. I did not prep before I did her nails, like get everything out that you know you're going to use. So I had to like stop in between, look for certain things that I know I wanted to use. Always prep is essential to time when you're doing someone else and for yourself. So yeah, I thought this came out really cute. Like I said, nothing too serious, just going in and making it look a little bit full. I typically go in with a glitter background, but I didn't feel like doing all that today. So, and just because her base is pink, I felt like it was extremely cute if it did peek through because her stones and stuff is pink. So here I'm just going in and top coat and having it look real good. I can't believe that I didn't film the thumb. I don't know where the heck that footage went, but I'm just going in with Pro Nail Bar top coat and sealing the deal. This was a really cute design. Make sure you guys check out the polishes. I will leave the information and down below. I do have a discount code, Nail by Shy 12. So let me know if you guys order these. These are cute display polishes. Like if you get the whole set, this is something really cute to have on your shelf. Let me know down below what you guys think. And yeah, let me know if you do nails, how do you charge per nail? This was a 3D nail look here, super cute and simple. I didn't work too hard on these designs. I do cure this in a lamp for 60 seconds and making sure I clean up my sides per usual, because you don't want to flood your cuticle with any polish. So here, going in with a little bit of cuticle oil. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and look out for my haul video. It is huge. You do not want to miss it. If you watched the first one, this one is a lot bigger. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I love y'all. We'll check y'all out in my next video. Super cute. Bye.